Hi! I'm Auri-Katarina and I do cleaning videos. I have over 4 million followers on TikTok, but 1 year ago I had 0. Today I tell you a story how a regular girl like me became the most famous cleaner in the world. On this video you will see unpublished material and I will tell you how does it feel when your videos go viral really fast. Last summer I worked on a cleaning company as a service manager. I was single, I work out a lot and I cleaned my friends and relatives' homes just for fun. Last year on my summer vacation I was cleaning one of my friends' homes again, and then I just took my phone and filmed what I did. And then my friends were like, oh, you should upload it on TikTok. And I was like, well, okay. And I did. And here's my first video. And can you believe it got like 100 views, 3 likes and 1 comment. It was so fun. I started to do more videos because I really wanted to show you how easy and fun cleaning can be. I also wanted to show my cleaning skills and to inspire young people to come working in cleaning industry because it was so hard to get employees back then. At the beginning I filmed many videos, but I didn't never post them because even my mom laughed at them. They were really bad. After 4 videos, I had 19 followers and I was really excited because 19 unknown people wanted to see me cleaning. Super cool! And like 2 weeks later, I woke up and I have gained 50 followers during the night. I was amazed. At the beginning, all my followers were from Finland because TikTok showed my videos only for Finnish people For You pages. Even my TikToks were in English. Then my followers started to ask what products I used, but it was really hard to answer because I used products that are professional use only. On July, I went summer camping with my granny, and back then I had 1,000 followers. And there I gained 1,000 followers more. And me and my grandma were really excited, but at the same time really afraid because we didn't know what is going on. Now 1,000 followers isn't a lot, but back then it was a lot because it was totally new situation for me. But this was the first and the last time when I have worried how fast things are happening. Then some viewers started to say that I'm fake. I have stolen videos because some bigger Instagram accounts used my videos without permission and without crediting me. It felt really weird and I was like reading those comments like, what is going on? But well, truth always come up. On August, I published video about deep cleaning a car and it went viral on Germany. And I started to get followers from abroad. It was super fun. The video got 300,000 views and it was my first viral video. Woo! Soon I got a lot of comments that I am a perfectionist and I have OCD, but I don't blame them, although I don't have. Then later at August I met my ex at the gym and he asked my help to clean his balcony. He said that it's okay to film there and I went there when he was another town with his new girlfriend. So I went there, I cleaned his balcony, but it was too clean. So I continued and cleaned his whole apartment. I was there total 12 hours. I posted the video on TikTok and it went viral again. I get so many hate comments saying like, I want my ex back, I'm stupid, I'm simp, and stuff like that. But again, can't blame them, because of course at that point people didn't know how much I really love cleaning. Like, I can clean anywhere and to anybody. Then the first follower asked my help to clean his car. So I invited him to our company office where I cleaned his car. And his mom came with him because she couldn't believe that somebody would clean a car for free. I understand her completely because it sounds very weird, I know. I cleaned that car, but I didn't ever publish that video because I thought it wasn't that great. Then I met this guy on Tinder and he had birthday coming. So, of course, I gave him a free home cleaning as a birthday present. Back then, I had 8,000 followers and I asked him, could I film the cleaning? And he said yes. At this point, I have to reveal that this is the house and this is the kitchen. So I came here and I was like, hi, I'm Auri. And then I climbed to the table and I checked the top of cabinets. He was laughing at me like, what the hell is in my kitchen? The Tinder video went big viral. It got like 10 million views. It was incredible. We continued seeing each other sometimes, but I said that I don't want any relationship because I felt that men are always restricting me and my cleaning lifestyle. Then on August, I got 10,000 followers. Woo! On September, Finnish media called Ilta-Sanomat published the first news about my cleaning videos. My TikTok started to grow really fast. I got like 200,000 followers in a 3-day. Crazy. At the same time, I had 800 followers on Instagram. On September, I did my first home cleaning for free with my friend. The house owner was a single mom with 3 kids and her husband had passed away. We cleaned there like 2 days, and when the family came back home, the mom started to cry and the kids came to hug me, and it melted my heart because you cannot buy things like that. It was such a touching moment and I don't never forget that. On the end of the September, I felt that I really need help because I got so many contacts all around the world. So I sent message to famous Finnish YouTubers called Hydraulic Press channel, and they made also TikTok videos. Luckily, they answered me and invited me to come watch their filming day. And of course I went there. They were Anni and Lauri from Hydraulic Press channel and they have been super helpful. I don't even know where I would be without them. It's super difficult when you are getting emails every day all around the world. Everything is new and you don't have a clue what to do. So they are helped me a lot. But the best thing that TikTok has gave me is that nowadays Anni is my best friend. We are both crazy. On October, I went to clean this place and the house owner had schizophrenia and he was recovering from that, and his friend asked my help. And when I saw those pictures, I immediately wanted to help them. And it was the best cleaning day ever because it was super dirty. Love that. Soon after that, I got 1 million followers. It was crazy. Then many big social media pages wanted to share my videos and stories, and also Daily Mail wanted to interview me. At the same time, it felt really weird and really funny, but I said yes to everything because I know I don't remember